Whether you are a hobbyist, a professional, or somewhere in between, you can use your creativity and skills to share your stories, opinions, and passions with millions of people online. However, creating content also comes with a few challenges. You need to capture high-quality video and audio to keep your audience engaged. You also need to stand out from the crowd and showcase your unique style and personality. That's why we have compiled a list of 10 gadgets that can help you improve your vlogging and content creation skills and results. So let's get started. This is the Boyalink all-in-one design wireless microphone system, the ultimate solution for content creators who demand high-quality audio recording without the hassle of multiple connectors or adapters. It has an all-in-one storage design and comes equipped with USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm TRS connectors, making it compatible with all mainstream smartphones, cameras, and laptops. To enhance the audio quality, it features a noise reduction function, and the microphone gain level can be adjusted to ensure optimal audio quality in any recording situation. Additionally, it allows you to record continuously for 10 hours, and the charging case can recharge the microphone for 2 full cycles. With a maximum battery life of 30 hours, you can rely on this device for long recording sessions. The Boyalink microphone system captures clear sound even in complex environments and can operate at a distance of up to 100 meters, making it perfect for long-range outdoor shooting. And if you need to record with multiple people, this system has you covered with its dual-channel recording capabilities thanks to 2 transmitters, both supporting omnidirectional audio. Besides, setting up the Boyalink system is a breeze. The transmitter and receiver automatically turn on and pair with each other as soon as they are taken out of the charging case. In summary, the Boyalink wireless microphone system combines versatility, convenience, and high-quality audio recording in a single package. Whether you're a vlogger, interviewer, live streamer, or content creator of any kind, this gadget will help elevate your audio recording experience and achieve professional results.
Having trouble creating your online course video? At 10 Studio, we specialize in creating video courses for instructors like you. With our 7 years of experience and 80+ completed projects, we're confident that we can make your course engaging and easy to understand. To get more students and increase your earnings through attractive online course videos, contact 10 Studio today.
The Insta360 Go3 is a tiny action camera that can record stunning 2.7K videos with incredible stabilization. It is easy to use. Just press the button on the front of the camera to start recording instantly. You can also control it with voice commands or use the app on your phone. The Go3 comes with various accessories that let you mount it anywhere, from your clothes to your bike. You can also use the Action Pod to charge, preview, and control the camera with a flip touchscreen. It's also waterproof, durable, and stylish, making it the perfect companion for your adventures, from city to summit. But what if you want to add some cinematic flair to your videos? How can you achieve that widescreen look in those gorgeous lens flares? Well, you need the SmallRig Anamorphic cell phone lens. This lens can create a wide aspect ratio that is far greater than what standard optics can accomplish. It also produces beautiful blue flare under strong light sources, adding more drama and style to your shots. The lens has a standard M mount that is easy to install and compatible with most smartphones and tablets. It also has a multi-layer coating that reduces glare and distortion, and a metal body that is sturdy and elegant. With this lens, you can transform your smartphone into a movie camera and impress your audience with your cinematic skills. However, if you want to shoot yourself in action and make sure you are always in focus and in frame, you need the OBSBOT Me. OBSBOT Me is an AI-powered selfie phone mount that can follow your every move and keep you at the center of attention. It uses advanced algorithms with a 360-degree motorized base to track your face, body, and gestures and rotate your phone accordingly. It also has a built-in microphone that can filter out background noise and enhance your voice. You can control OBSBOT Me with simple hand gestures or use the app on your phone to adjust settings such as zoom, exposure, or filters. It's like having your own personal cameraman who knows exactly how to capture your best angles and expressions. OBSBOT Me is ideal for vloggers, live streamers, or anyone who wants to create engaging content with ease. What about lighting though? How can you create different moods and atmospheres with just one device? You need a versatile LED light that can change colors and brightness. So now meet the Godox LITEMONS LED6R. It's a pocket-sized RGB LED video light that can create various lighting effects for your videos. It has high-quality LEDs that can produce 16 million colors in various special effects. You can adjust the color temperature, hue, saturation, and brightness with the buttons on the back of the light, or use the app on your phone for more options. The light also has a built-in battery with a long runtime. It is suitable for indoor or outdoor use, and it comes with a cold shoe mount that can attach to any standard camera or tripod. Overall, the Godox LITEMONS LED6R is a powerful and portable light that can enhance your videos with creative lighting solutions. Now let's check out a gadget that'll allow you to carry more than one device at a time and hold them all securely. SmallRig Mobile Phone Video Rig. The SmallRig Mobile Phone Video Rig is a modular system that can hold your phone, microphone, light, lens, and other accessories in one convenient setup. It consists of a phone cage that can fit most smartphones and tablets, a top handle that can provide a stable grip, and a mini tripod that can offer flexible support. The rig also has multiple cold shoe mounts and screw holes that can connect to various devices and attachments. You can customize the rig according to your needs and preferences, and easily switch between handheld or tripod mode. SmallRig Mobile Phone Video Rig is a comprehensive and adaptable solution that can turn your phone into a professional video camera. But how can you avoid shaky footage and achieve cinematic effects? Well, for that, you need a smartphone gimbal that can provide smooth and stable video recording. Introducing the Zhiyun Smooth Q4, a compact and foldable smartphone gimbal that keeps the footage smooth as butter. It has a multifunctional control wheel that can adjust the zoom, focus, and brightness of your phone camera. There's also a landscape and portrait switch button that can change the orientation of your phone with one press. The gimbal supports various intelligent shooting modes such as Smart Flow, Dolly Zoom, Magic Clone Pano, and Gesture Control. Plus, you can use the Zycami app to access more features and settings. All in all, the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 is a versatile and easy-to-use gimbal that can improve your video quality and creativity. However, if you want to capture some aerial shots or explore some new perspectives, this gimbal won't cut it. For that, you need a camera drone. So here we have the DJI Mini 3, a lightweight and portable drone that can capture stunning 4K HDR video and high-resolution photos. Compared to the previous model, it has an extended flight time, a much better video transmission range, and enhanced safety features. The drone also supports various smart shooting modes, and you can even use the DJI Fly app to edit and share your footage easily. DJI Mini 3 is an amazing drone that can expand your creative possibilities and let you see the world from a different angle. Now meet the RØDE Vlogger Kits, which offer the perfect all-in-one solution for mobile filmmaking. They include a high-quality camera, a tripod stand, a phone holder, an LED light panel, cables, clips, windshields, etc. They are available in 3 versions: Universal for any smartphone, iOS for iPhone, or USB-C for Android. They're designed to deliver crystal clear audio, bright illumination, stable support, easy setup, and more. RØDE Vlogger Kits are the ultimate tools for vloggers who want to take their videos to the next level. However, most of the gadgets we mentioned on this list run on batteries, so to keep your device powered up for longer, you'll need a power bank. Mophie PowerStation Plus. Mophie PowerStation Plus is a portable battery that can charge your devices quickly and conveniently. It has a 10,000 mAh capacity that can provide hours of extra battery life for your smartphone, action camera, and other accessories. It has a built-in lighting cable that can charge your iPhone or iPad, and a USB-A port that can charge any other device. In short, the Mophie PowerStation Plus is a smart and versatile battery that can keep your devices powered up for longer. So that concludes our list of the 10 coolest gadgets for vloggers and content creators. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.